Release management is a set of automated workflows in Onshape used to manage releasing revisions of parts, assemblies, or drawings and imported files within a document. You must have Onshape Professional or Enterprise to utilize this functionality. On Onshape Mobile, you are able to review, approve, and reject releases on the go. When a new release candidate is submitted for your approval and you have mobile notifications enabled, you receive a notification on your device alerting you of the new action. You may tap it to open the release candidate. If you missed the notification, to access notifications for release management, select the Notifications tab at the bottom of the interface within the document page. Tap on the notification within the Notifications tab to access the Release Candidate dialog. Within the dialog are options for release name, release notes, comments, comment history, required approvers, observers, and the ability to apply, release, or reject the release candidate. The release name is the title given to the release for the object or objects being released within the release management workflow process. This name is used in the versions and history to mark the release version. The release notes within the release candidate dialog provides a description of the object or objects being released. The description informs the observers and approvers of what the release contains and any changes that were made. For example, if it is a new initial release, the creator might write that in the release notes. Company and enterprise administrators can decide if this is an optional or required field in the release management settings. Within the release candidate dialog, release name and release notes are not editable options and are filled out by the user who created the release. The comments field within the dialog allows approvers to leave comments and view the comment history for the release candidate. Approvers are typically members of a team or organization that approve or reject the release. Also, approvers must have view permission to the document in order to approve or reject. Observers are listed as any members or team of a company that needs to be informed of the status of a release. However, observers do not take action to approve or reject the release candidate. Similar to Onshape on the desktop, an observer must have view permission to the document in order to observe the release candidate. To save changes made in the release comment dialog, such as adding a comment within the comment field, tap the Apply button. To approve and release a release candidate, select the Release button. To reject a release candidate, select the Reject button. This video explored receiving release management notifications on a mobile device and taking action to review, release, or reject the release candidate.